Hi everyone, this is Camry USA, and today I want to show you how to check your battery and how your generator works. Uh, when you cannot start your engine, the first thing you have to know is to check your battery. And here is tools. I bought it just today. I received it, and I want to know how it works. It's multimeter or voltmeter, doesn't matter. And let's start to check. At the first I want to start it with engine turn off, and the level should be 12.5, from 12.5 to 13, I think. Yeah, let's check. Here's my 2018 Camry, and the battery almost 2 years. And let's check. So we turn to 20 volts and red to the plus, to the minus, and it's 12.74, which is good, which is very good. It tells us maybe 75% battery is good. And now we can start. Engine turn on, and let's check the level now. It should be 13.5 to 14. Yeah, it's pretty good, because my conditioner works, and if I turn off AC and maybe audio, how turn off, I don't know. Write in the comment how it turn off, I don't know. So let's check now. It should be more than 13.5. Yeah, exactly. So it means our generator works good. And also battery good too. But now, guys, I want to show you how it works on my old Honda Accord 1999. I cannot start engine, it not works. You see? Doesn't work, guys. Doesn't work. I think it's battery, but I can be wrong. Let's start to check the battery, and then I try to start engine, and now check the generator. So guys, let's check this battery level. It's pretty old battery. I use this car for 3 years and never changed it, and I don't know, it was changed before me maybe, and when, I don't know. So let's check. Oh guys, you see, 5 point something, which is not good, not really good. So yes, I'm sure the problem with battery, but let's double check. And try to connect the cable and try to start engine and check the generator. It's not hard, it's pretty easy. So let's check how it increases or not. Oh yeah, you see? Oh, it changed. 11. I think it's enough to start engine. Let's check. Oh. Yes. Hallelujah, we did it. So let's check the generator, how it works. It doesn't need anymore. And now we check the generator. So oh yes, it's almost 14, 13.9, which is good, which is very good. The generator works good. So guys, remember, if you cannot start your engine, just check the battery and then check the generator and just change it. It's easy, 50 bucks maybe. So guys, subscribe to my channel. I hope it was useful for you, and don't miss my new video, which will be helpful, I'm sure. And see you guys.